This is Samsung Galaxy A30S, and today I'll show how you can enable the safe mode on this device. So to start, you will need to press and hold the power key for about a second or so. So press and hold it, then press your finger at the power off option, and here tap at the safe mode. And now your system will be rebooted into the safe mode or into the diagnostic mode within anywhere between like 15 and probably 25 seconds or something like that, like the regular time it would take for your phone to be restarted. So let's wait for this moment to occur, or for this process to finish. So as you can clearly tell, the safe mode was entered successfully. So in order to exit it and get your system back to its regular operating state, you gotta simply reboot your phone or restart your system like you would do any other time. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.